gonna pick one. It's an easy question. I'm gonna reset. And so this is an easy question, so I'm gonna aim to solve within 10 minutes. Okay, make it a little bit bigger. You're given a zero index integer array nums. A pair of integer x and y is called a strong pair if it satisfies the condition. The absolute difference is less than minimum of two numbers. Okay, you need to select two integers from nums such that they form a strong pair, and the bitwise XOR is the maximum among all strong pairs in the array. Okay, return the maximum XOR value out of all possible strong pairs in array nums. Note that you can pick the same integer twice to form a pair. So we have 11 strong pairs, which is meeting those criteria, this condition, blah, blah, blah. And maximum XOR, how can I compute the XOR? The bit two integers, they form strong pairs, and the bitwise XOR is the maximum among all strong pairs. How can I compute XOR? Okay, XOR between two the two numbers from the pair. So x 3 XOR 4, this is going to be 7. Okay. Sure. Okay. Sure. I think what I'm thinking right now is just brute force. If we go to the brute force approach, it's going to be able to solve. We're going to just have nested two for loop, and then just get the pair of number. And if the pair of number is strong pair, by just writing the if condition like this, we are gonna update global variable by max operator and compute these two numbers XOR by caret, I guess, in Python. So that's going to be working solution, and this is easy. Oh no, before talking about just doing the guesstimate from the level of the question, I think it's better to look at the constraints. So we're going to have like length going to be, no, length going to be 50. So if you do nested for loop, the worst case is going to be 50 multiplied by 50. That's going to be 2500. So it's able to compute. The time would be not okay, even if I do the brute force, and I'm not using any extra database data structures. So space is going to be of 1, and then the number going to be positive. So because brute force can solve this question, so I think I'm going to just start writing the brute force code. But before writing that, maybe just in case, I can look at the other examples. So 100, 100 going to be strong pair. It looks like, and then 10, 10 is also going to be strong pair. And then you do the XOR, it somehow is going to be 0. Okay. This is also, it's not really, this additional example is not really helping me a lot. Maybe I can read the example explanation. I already spent almost 5 minutes. Maximum XOR possible from this pair is blah blah blah. Since the only other non-zero XOR value is this. Mm-hmm. I don't know how this example is helping me, but I really spent 5 minutes, so I think try to solve within 10 minutes. I think it's better to start right now. So I'm gonna start coding. So answer gonna I guess 0 would be okay, and then eventually I'm gonna return this answer. And as I said, I'm gonna do the brute force. So for I in range, length of this array, and for j in range of this arrays, and uh, check strong pair. Check strong pair if the definition is ABS of nums I minus nums j. This is smaller than or equal to minimum of nums I in nums j. So this is strong pair. In that case, I'm gonna update answer by the maximum of current answer or XOR. So I caret nums j XOR. If I run this with the test case, gonna give me it looks working, and if I run with all the test case, it's solved. But what I can see is memory looks okay, but runtime I'm worst. So because I finish at about 7 minutes, so maybe I can spend a few more minutes to think about the better approach. I don't know whether I can think about it, but um, so this is all n square. I think the next step to the optimized way would be n log n. So if I sort array, is it going to be help me? If I sort it, if I sort it, if I sort it, if I sort it, like I'm gonna have this kind of array, and if I take smallest and biggest, difference is gonna be 4, and that's bigger than minimum. So after sorting, maybe I can have fewer steps to find a strong pair, maybe. Strong. I mean, the bottleneck exists two locations. I think one location is whether this condition going to be the finding the strong pair going to be faster to identify. And second location is XOR computation. Can I skip computing all the pairs of XOR with some kind of information? So I want to get the maximum. How can I get the maximum? Yeah, maybe I'm gonna. I don't think I can think. I'm not smart enough to think about approach. So three XOR and 4. This means 3 is 1 1 and 4 is in binary representation 1 0 0. Okay, so I'm going to expand this. So 0 1 1 XOR 1 0 0. This is going to be 1 1 1 1 1. And this is 7. if I take 5 XOR 5, 5 going to be um, so 5 going to be 1 0 1. 5 going to be 1 0 1. So 1 0 1 1 0 1 XOR 0 0 0. I couldn't think about it. I feel I'm so dumb. From the XOR, I cannot think of kind of kind of way to skip the number of computing XOR, but maybe I can think of a strong pair optimization. How can I do it? So if I see 1 1 1 2 but not 3 4 5, 2 2 2 3 2 4 but not 5, 3 3 4 3 5. I feel like I can do nothing about XOR, but maybe I can do something for this strong pair. So the strong pair is always the left side number is going to be the minimum, right? So, but I still need to, for each number, I need to get the pair. I don't know. I can think of it. So I'm gonna stop for now, but at least I was able to solve the question within um, like quickly for reasonable question. So I'm gonna stop for now.